So, in my first episode, we are making a volcano.
Yep, a volcano.
A volcano we making. Woo! We gonna get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's get pumped. What do you think what's gonna happen to the volcano? You think it's gonna explode or shoot up in the ceiling? I know what you're thinking about. I think everybody thinks, let me think that real quick. Shoot up the ceiling, I know you thinking that, guys. I know you thinking that. Okay, guys, we got a lot of stuff to make a volcano. So you want to copy me or don't copy me? I don't care. A lava is a mountain and stuff, but it just rise because it feels like it needs to poop or something.
It needs to poop?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, guys, this is from a real volcano. I know it's kind of weird because it's from a real volcano, but it's real for sure. It's real. You missed the other part of the video, but that is fried right now. That is fried. This is completely fried, man. This is completely fried. I'm gonna write my name. You wanna know how to write my name? It's Timothy. I know that really takes forever. We went to Target to get play because we couldn't make it with this. We couldn't do this because I put too much water. Then we have to wait for it to fry a little bit. And Mom couldn't wait a little longer. Mom,
it was too much water and it wasn't foaming to this. It was leaking out. Remember?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So we got
play. Play cover. When you're play, it's hard and it's calm. It's hard like this one, because I think this one's hard. Let's get you guys to open it. Okay, we're going to fry this one first. When it just don't work, we're going to fry this one. There we met, there we fun, there we shout, there we met, there we fun, the day we met, the day we had some fun. Ooh, Mom, I cannot do this because it's sticky. I feel like it's about to stick on my hand. Oh, whoa, ouch. Ooh, oof. Okay, guys, we are painting it today. The day we fun. The day we met, the day we had some fun. The day we met, the day we fun. The day we met, the day we had some fun. The day we met. It's gonna make it explode. I'm gonna see what happens. I'm kind of scared, guys. Oh. Oh. Whoa!
pour some more water.
Whoa. Okay, guys, this is my brother want to do this. And what? Yeah. He already messed it up a little bit, but I didn't mess it up. It's cool. Whoa. Okay, red. More, because I want to make it more reddish. Put whole thing in. Yeah.
Now
Put water. Okay. Now. Ooh, I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna really want to touch it. Ah! Whoa, I like it feel. It's cool. Try to touch it. I know it feels gooey. Guys, you see this? It's so cool. I know. Next up, subscribe, you like the episode, and see me on YouTube. Bye. What you wanna know? What you wanna know? No. If you don't have to do this, all about yourself.